Wounded Knee. Most of this history is about Indians and white men. The white men were trying to get all the Indian chiefs to sign a paper for them to get food or for things like that. Sitting Bull, a chief, would not agree to sign. On the movie, it said that they only needed Red Cloud, a chief, to touch a pen. The white men kept on going to war with the Indians. The Indians only had very little guns, so most of the time they would lose. When the Indians decided to sign the paper, the white men got to go in the land. The Indians started to get a disease that the white men brought. The disease is measles. One day, a man by the name of Wolvaka, an Indian, came and said that the white men are not going to hurt them as long as they do the dance that he will show them. It is called the ghost dance. The white men didn't like it, so they told the president, and the president said to take Sitting Bull, the chief, to prison. So they did what he said to an extent. They killed Sitting Bull and Bigfoot, another chief. A lot of Indians got killed at Wounded Knee Creek. That was the last war against the Indians.